How to disable promotional pop-ups in 1xBet. First of all, open the 1xBet app and log into your account using your credentials. Next, tap on the menu icon and then settings option in the top right corner. Inside the settings, look for push notifications. Under push notifications, you will see option like match event notification. To stop promotional pop-ups, turn off the match event notification toggle. Then, go into manage subscription. Here uncheck options related to promotional messages or marketing news, such as news about events and notifications about bet outcomes. Once you have turned off these notifications, exit the settings. The changes will be saved automatically. Restart the app to make sure all the changes take effect. Now you won't get those promotional pop-ups or notifications while using 1xBet. And that's it. Now you know how to disable promotional pop-ups in 1x from the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.